Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 2 on your mobile.
Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is working. Step 2. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Step 3. Restart your router if using Wi-Fi. Fix 2. Restart Roblox app. Step 1. Close the Roblox app completely. Step 2. Open it again and try connecting. Fix 3. Restart your mobile device. Step 1. Turn off your phone. Step 2. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 3. Open Roblox and try again. Fix 4. Clear Roblox cache. Android only. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Roblox Storage. Step 2. Tap Clear Cache. Step 3. Open Roblox and check if it connects. Fix 5. Update Roblox apps. Step 1. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Play Store, Android. Step 2. Check if an update is available. Step 3. Install the update and try again. Fix 6. Reinstall Roblox. Step 1. Uninstall Roblox from your device. Step 2. Restart your phone. Step 3. Reinstall Roblox and try connecting.